Hi guys, so this is an introduction video to my complete P2P playlist. So I'm going to be posting videos on what P2P on all exchanges. Basically, I'm going to be talking about the P2P market on up to 4 exchanges and how you can go about trading on the P2P market using all these exchanges. So this is what an introduction video that is going to introduce you to the things you should expect to learn if you actually stay in touch with this particular playlist, because it's going to be a lot, and at the end of the playlist you are going to be able to make some cool cash using the P2P market on what all these exchanges. So we are going to be taking advantage of the P2P markets on all these exchanges to make some cool cash just trading on the P2P market. So what should you expect from this particular playlist? That is what we are going to be talking about. But before that, what does the P2P actually stand for? When we talk about P2P, it stands for what? Peer to peer. And this is what a decentralized platform integrated in almost all exchanges you find out there. That is what almost all crypto exchanges you find out there. So on the Bybit exchange, the Binance exchange, Gate.io, OKX, KuCoin, Mexi, all these exchanges and a lot more exchanges, there's what a P2P platform integrated in all these exchanges. And this is the platform where two people are given the opportunity to actually sell and buy crypto. So we have a buyer and a seller on these platforms, and all these people are what aiming to actually sell crypto or buy crypto. And I'm going to show you how to be a buyer and also how to be a seller on this platform. Also, I'm going to show you how to sell your coins on this particular platform. That is actually what same as being a seller, because you're going to be selling your coins on this platform with a very easy technique, and that is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in this particular playlist. So firstly, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your P2P on all these exchanges, because you have to actually set up your P2P. You cannot just go and then start trading. That is what linking your bank account or your mobile money or anything you want to use to actually trade on the P2P market. I'm going to be showing you how to go about linking this to the P2P market. Also, I'm going to show you how to buy on the P2P market. That is what buying USDT on the P2P market. Also, I'm going to show you how to sell USDT on the P2P market. That is what you have a certain amount of crypto and you actually want to sell this crypto for your local currency. I'm going to show you how to sell this. Now, talking about buying and selling crypto on the P2P market, I'm going to show you how to filter out the best possible offer that you can find on the P2P market and actually work with that particular offer. So the P2P market is what a whole platform with people, and you all know that where people are involved, there's always going to be scam involved. So I'm going to show you how to filter out the best possible offer so that you know what end up being scammed. That is actually one of the main things I'm going to be talking about in this particular playlist. Lastly, on this particular playlist, I am going to show you how to make money using these P2P platforms that we are going to be talking about. So we are going to be able to make some cool cash using P2P. And I know that might actually sound crazy, but at the end of this particular playlist, you are going to see it as something that is very possible, because we are going to be taking advantage of all these P2P platforms and making some cool money. That is just by buying and selling coins on these P2P platforms. But before that, you will have to be able to master how to trade on all these P2P platforms. So that is what's going to be at the end of this particular playlist. So if you want to stay in touch with this particular playlist, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, click on the bell notification button so that when I post subsequent videos about this particular topic, you are going to be notified, so that you'll be able to come and then continue to get updated on every single thing you need to know about the P2P markets on all these exchanges.